To lighten an object or an image, a dark image in CorelDRAW, this is how it is done. It's called tone curve. This is how the image is before, and this is how we turn it to. So let's go dive in. I have this image here. This is an abaya. You click on it. You come to the effects menu. Effect menu on the menu bar. Then you come to adjust. This adjust. Then you take it to tone curve. Click on it here. So automatically it will come to the properties bar. Can you see the properties here? So move it down. So to apply this tone curve, let me duplicate it. So drop it to your right. So this, you click on it. You click here and take it up. The more you take it up, I see the y-axis is changing. It increases. So you have to take it up. Just click again and take it up, depending on how you want it to be. Can you see it? So we want to explore more. Can you see it? This how it's. Okay. So this is how it is. It's lighter compared to this. So this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. You're welcome.